Bengaluru International Airport police have arrested 5 individuals involved in the illegal import and distribution of fake cigarettes across multiple states. The arrests were made on Saturday, with authorities seizing 20 cartons of fake branded cigarettes valued at approximately 50 lakh rupees. The accused have been identified as Abdul Bashir, his son Muhammad Ashik, Muhammad Anwar, Muhammad Ansari, and Ghulam Hussain Khan. Police investigations revealed that the gang smuggled counterfeit cigarettes from Southeast Asian countries including Singapore, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and Hong Kong, distributing them to various parts of India. According to police, the group purchased 10,000 cigarettes in Cambodia for just 25,000 rupees, while a single cigarette cost around 2 rupees 50 paise abroad. They sold them in Bengaluru for 16 rupees each, undercutting the market price of genuine cigarettes, which ranges between 22 rupees and 24 rupees. The case has been registered in Kempegowda International Airport and further investigation are underway.